Hi there. I'd like to order, please.
Of course! What can I get for you today?
I'll have a large latte. I had a really long morning and I need something strong.
I totally understand. Would you like that hot or iced?
Iced, please. It's so warm outside today.
Great choice. What kind of milk would you like? Whole milk, skim, oat, or almond?
Can I get oat milk? I'm a little lactose intolerant.
Of course, no problem at all. Would you like any flavor in that? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut today.
Oh, a pump of vanilla would be wonderful. But could you make it a little less sweet? I don't like it too sugary.
Sure, I can do half a pump instead. That gives you a light hint of vanilla without being overwhelming.
That sounds perfect. Do you have any pastries? Something to go with my coffee.
We do. We have blueberry muffins, butter croissants, and a really popular banana bread. The banana bread just came out of the oven about 10 minutes ago.
The banana bread sounds amazing. I'll take one of those, please.
Great choice! That comes to $8.50. Are you paying by cash or card?
Card, please. Oh, and could I get a receipt?
Absolutely. Just tap your card on the reader here. And can I get a name for the order?
It's Sarah.
Perfect, Sarah. Your order will be ready in about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll call your name when it's done.
Thank you. Oh, one more thing. Do you have a loyalty program? I come here almost every morning.
We do. I can sign you up right now if you'd like. You get a free drink after every 10 purchases.
That's wonderful. Yes, please sign me up. That's a great deal.
Absolutely. I just need your email address and I'll get that set up for you right away.
It's sarah.johnson@gmail.com.
Got it. You're all signed up. Your first stamp is already on there.
Oh, wow. That was fast. Thank you so much. You've been so helpful.
My pleasure, Sarah. Enjoy your coffee and banana bread. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you tomorrow.